part of the Charlie Brown special. What'd you get?
It's chocolate and a lollipop and everything.
Oh, you need your blanket first. You gonna explore all your candy? Why don't you sit down and show Mommy?
All of my candy. I want to eat all
Well,
of
sit
it.
down and show your Mommy. See what you got.
Chocolate.
Wow.
I
Chocolate.
want to eat them.
Oh, these are neat. They're sweet tart skulls and bones. They're skeletons. And you put them together and then you eat them. Daddy liked those kids.
Oh. I want to eat my chocolate first.
You want to have some chocolate first?
Yeah. I want to eat.
Let me get some.
Nicky gave me this.
You figured out which one was the chocolate, didn't you?
Nicky gave me this.
You get a trick or treat bag. Why don't you see what's in here?
Look, Nicky gave me
Yes,
this.
I heard. Do you want to see what's in here?
Yeah, I do.
Look inside. Dump it up.
Okay. Oh, I eat candy.
Wow.
More candy.
Great candy. Great
You
candy.
put all your candy together. And you got more in here too.
Great candy.
Look. What you got in there?